This is a water fountain. How do you drink from this water fountain? Well, the first thing you have to do is turn on the water. And all you have to do is push this button right there. Different looking water fountains have different looking buttons. Like this one here. And that button there. Or this button here. You don't want to push the spot where the water comes out. That's not a button. There you go. That's how you do it. When you drink the water, don't put your lips on the fountain. That could spread germs.
Ew! Yuck!
When you're drinking from the fountain, you want to make your lips look like they're drinking from a straw.
Yay!
Don't try to eat the water. Don't try to lick the water. And don't let the water hit your face. This is how you do it. Hit that thumbs up button if this video helped you out. And don't forget to subscribe to Fix and Play.